everyone! So today's vlog is about Mauritius. Maybe you were asking, where in the world is Mauritius? It is in East Africa, known for its beaches, lagoons, and reefs. It is also called Pearl of the Indian Ocean that offers unparalleled luxury in an idyllic tropical location. With an average temperature of 22 degrees Celsius in winter and 31 degrees Celsius in summer, this beautiful destination is perfect at any time of the year. The official language of Mauritius is English, though most of its citizens speak French and Mauritian Creole. So the fact that most of its locals speak English, this place is ideal for those English-speaking travelers. Generally, it is safe to travel to Mauritius, and probably it is one of the safest countries in Africa to travel to. What makes this trip to Mauritius special, besides its welcoming locals, laid-back island vibe, and its stunning views? This is the first time I have been to Africa, and yet there wasn't a need for malaria pills or any special immunizations. This is also the first time we stayed in a Club Med resort. It is an all-inclusive resort package that includes lodging, food, drinks, use of hotel facilities, sports facilities, games and shows. We were also able to witness a Mauritius heritage called REGATTA. This is a seamen's celebration. There are a few things or key points to remember when you travel to Mauritius. First, make sure that you have a travel health insurance just in case, because Mauritius healthcare facilities is expensive. Second, carry or bring along with you insect repellents, as its wilderness attracts insects. Thirdly, pack light cotton clothes. Mauritius is humid. Swimwear is a must, and flip-flops should always be with you as you will be frequenting to the beach. Mauritius is also called as a Bare Devil's Delight, so there are a lot of adventures and water sports to try there. Cave sea kayaking, catamaran sailing, zip lining, windsurfing, and skydiving. Indulge yourself in some delicacies. Mauritius exhibits diverse food culture, so if you avoid watching the scales when in Mauritius, it is not your fault. And it is better for you to have a guide to turn you around if you are not driving, or better not join a tour group. There are a lot of attractions that you can find in Mauritius, and all of them are worth visiting. So here are my top picks. First is Grand Bay. So this is a resort town and the most popular destination in Mauritius. Second is the Mauritius Botanical Gardens. So this is considered as one of the world's best botanical gardens. Third, Isle of CERFS Island. So this is also called as the Deer Island, which is also the water sports paradise. Then we have this CHAMAREL waterfall. So this is the highest waterfall of Mauritius, plunging about 100 meters down. Another one is the seven-colored earth. So it is said that if you mix them together, the colors will just separate on their own. Then also the Grand Basin. So this is a crater lake. And lastly, the EUREKA house or the EUREKA mansion. So this is a unique Creole house built in 1830 and now a museum. So Mauritius' top key selling point are its beaches lined with world-class hotels, top-notch spas, golf courses, and gourmet restaurants. It is friendly, charming, and unremittingly beautiful, and is also well worth discovering.